Oh yeah.
No, let's symbol over the arrow. Above the arrow.
How do you even get
Where do you find that?
to begin with?
Oh, there we go.
This is.
That's the solution that we need.
Probably don't need to put that much water in because it's going to be, that'll be enough. Don't add that one, just, let's just wait for a second and see what happens here. So when you put your stick in there and swirl it, what happens? You got some clumps in there? Yes? Okay, well you're going to have to put your hand in and bring them out.
Where am I putting it?
In your hand? Yeah, put your hand in and pull it out for me. And then what you want to do is keep it over that and kind of squish the water out.
You could have done this.
Miss Bright, can you not give us all the hydrogen gas?
I'm thinking about
No, we don't have hydrogen yet.
that's crazy.
You got some more in there? Okay, so